Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Snapchat AI play a character. So let's just get started. So I'll be teaching you guys a very much easy step, so just follow me guys. So now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chat, and then from here just search your My AI conversation, and then go to My AI conversation, and now on the chat box or the message box just type play a character, and then on a bracket just name a character, let's say Spider-Man, like this, and just press on send. And then you can see it prompts a message saying, oh, I see you want me to do a parallel something, and that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.